Ciao a tutti ragazzi! In today's video we're gonna talk about everything you need to know to form and use the ing form in Italian, or what we also call continuous form, forma continuata. First, we're gonna have a look at how to form it, and then we're gonna have a look at the main differences between Italian and English. Let's begin with an example. If you want to say in Italian, I am going, you need two parts. First, we need I am, and then going. In Italian, the first part is equivalent to the conjugation of the verb stare, to stay, and it goes as follows. Io sto, tu stai, lui lei sta. Noi stiamo, voi state, loro stanno. And although in English you use am, which is part of the verb to be, essere in Italian, in Italiano, we do not use essere to form the ing structure. We will use stare. And by the way, essere, to be in Italian, look like this. Io sono, tu sei, lui lei è. Noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. And again, we are not going to be saying io sono andando if we want to say I am going. We will be saying io sto andando. The second thing that we need is the actual ing piece of the verb. And this is how it works in Italian. You will have to look at the infinite form of the verb. In Italian, you can have three options. Verbs ending in are, such as andare. Verbs ending in ere, such as prendere, verbs ending in ire, such as dormire. And based on the ending of the infinite form, we will create our ing form in Italian. In fact, verbs ending in are will have ing in ando. Verbs ending in ere, we will have it in endo. Verbs ending in ire, we will have it in endo. In our example, mangiare, mangiando. Prendere, prendendo. Dormire, dormendo. In summary, to form the ing structure in Italian, you need two things. The conjugation of the verb stare plus ando or endo at the end of the verb. Now, and what if you want to say I was going or I will be going? How does this look in Italian? It is pretty simple. The ing form of the verb does not change. The only thing that changes is the conjugation of the verb stare. So if you want to say I was going, you were going, and so on, you need to conjugate stare using the tense imperfetto. And it looks like this. Io stavo, tu stavi, lui lei stava, noi stavamo, voi stavate, loro stavano. And then again, just attach the ing form and it looks like this. Io stavo andando, tu stavi dormendo, lui, lei stava prendendo. Instead, if you want to say something like I will be going, you will be going, you need the future form of the verb stare. And it looks like this. Io starò, tu starai, lui, lei starà. Noi staremo, voi starete, loro staranno. And once again, the ing form doesn't change, so I will be going looks like io starò andando. But now let's talk about the main differences between Italian and English, because it's pretty important. The first main difference is that in English you can use the present continuous form to talk about the future. For example, tomorrow I'm going to the cinema. This structure in Italian is not possible. In fact, the continuous form in Italian is used only for ongoing action, either happening right now, at the present, or ongoing action in the past, if you're talking at the past, but never for actions in the future. If you want to say in Italian, I am going to the cinema tomorrow, you will need the simple present of the verb andare, not the continuous form. I am going to the cinema tomorrow is io vado al cinema domani. Another main difference is that in English you can use the ing form as a subject of a sentence. For example, swimming is fun. In Italian, when we build such a sentence, we do not use the ing form, or also called gerundio. We use the infinite form. Swimming is fun is not going to be nuotando è divertente. In Italian, it's going to be nuotare è divertente. The same structure applies for habitual actions, such as I love swimming. Once again, in Italian, we will not use gerundio, we will use infinito. I love swimming is going to be io amo nuotare. not nuotando. I also want to leave here with you three main Italian verbs that are irregular at the gerundio form, and those are fare, dire, bere. The gerundio form will be facendo, dicendo, bevendo. And now, to see if you have really understood, try to translate these sentences in Italian. 1. I am going to the supermarket. 2. She is traveling tomorrow. 3. While I was eating, I was watching television. And let me know in the comments if you still have questions or doubts of any kind. I hope this video was helpful, and as usual, we see each other in the next video.